Meron na palang complete turnover housing lot. Dito sa Cavite? Yes, tama ang narinig mo.
Starting at 6 million, meron ka ng 3 bedroom and 2 toilet and bath. Single detached with 100 square meter lot area. Meron tayong Sophia Expanded with 75 square meter floor area. At meron din tayong Antonina Expanded with 80 square meter floor area. Meron din tayong Cristina Model with 90 square meter floor area. At ang bestseller sa ating 3 bedroom and 2 toilet and bath na si Adelaida Model, 100 square meter floor area. And if you are looking for bigger units, meron tayong available na 4 to 5 bedrooms gaya ng Ana Clarissa Model with 125 square meter floor area. At ang ating bestseller na Celestina Model with 132 square meter floor area. And ang biggest unit natin na si Gavina with 158 square meter floor area. Lahat ng hinahanap mo ay meron na pag turnover sa'yo. Starting from gate and fence, fully tiled carport area, basic landscape, at balcony. Mahogany wood doors, tiles of your choice, and cove or drop ceiling. Very aesthetic dahil sa open to below high ceiling design. All-in package with freebies pa, such as built-in cabinets sa kitchen at sa lahat ng rooms, CCTV cameras, smoke detector alarm, fire extinguisher, free water heater, and split-type aircon upon turnover. But wait, there's more!
Less hassle na rin dahil kami na mag-process ng loan application mo, building permits, transfer of title, and water and electricity connection.
And guess what? Matitirhan mo na ang dream house mo based sa floor plan na gusto mo. Yes! You heard that right. Modification is allowed before you construct ang house mo. Meron tayong pre-meeting with architect para if may gusto kang baguhin sa floor plan mo, change of tiles, extensions, and materials upgrade, ay yes na yes. Para ka talaga nagpapagawa ng sarili mong bahay dahil ikaw masusunod sa floor plan na gusto mo. At kahit wala kang malaking pera, ay pwedeng mapasayo ang bahay na to. 35k lang ang reservation fee at installment ang down payment more 24 months with no interest pa. At kung naghahanap ka ng plot free, hindi crowded pero malapit sa Metro Manila, meron tayo dito niyan sa Holiday Homes, Barangay Biklatan, General Trias, Cavite, na may minimum lot area of 100 square meter. May existing amenities and malapit na rin sa lahat ng kailangan mo. Sugarland Estates in Barangay Hugo Perez, 13 Martires, Cavite, na may minimum 120 square meter lot area, may existing clubhouse, swimming pool, basketball court, at malapit sa mga establishments na kailangan ng pamilya mo. At kung gusto mo naman ng investment na hindi crowded at may existing resort na sa loob ng subdivision, 50% discount sa mga homeowners. Ongoing na ang development sa Sutherland Club Leisure Park, Naik, and Tansa, Cavite, na may minimum 150 square meter lot area. Good investment ito for your retirement house. Ready ka na ba for your next investment? Message me now and be one of our satisfied homeowners. I am your trusted property consultant, Lady Jiao. See ya!